how to check network connection. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you check your network connection on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just right click at the window just at the bottom of your screen. So you have to just right click on that window icon. Alright, so from this section you'll have to go with the option settings. So simply click on settings. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to click on the option network and internet. So simply click on it. Alright, so from this network and internet section, you can easily check your internet connection on your PC or laptop. So from here, you can check your VPN, mobile hotspot, or your Wi-Fi connection from here. So you can check it from here. And also there is one alternative method. So for that, you'll have to just go the Wi-Fi connection just at the bottom right of your screen. So it will appear at the bottom right of your taskbar. So simply you have to go with that option, and from this option, you can also know your internet connection from here. So from here, you can easily access your Wi-Fi connection. So these are the methods to check internet or network connection on your PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.